Hey guys, welcome back. We are back with another hair video. So I'm just going to show you guys a bunch of styles that you could do with your hair when you have your clip-ins in. So we're just jumping right into it. I'm parting my hair, finger parting my hair. You guys have seen this a million times. I'm using clip-ins from Curlsqueen. I have the coarse yaki texture in 20 inches. I've showed you guys this hair before, so we're just using that hair today. So I'm kind of showing you guys the placement, but literally every time I put clip-ins in my hair, it's never the same. So honestly, it would just depend on your head shape, your head size, all that jazz. And the parting also doesn't have to be perfect. My parting is never straight across. I used to want it to be perfect, but it doesn't really matter because nobody can see the parts in your head unless you're like doing half up, half down. That's when it matters. But honestly, it could be crooked parts. It doesn't even matter. Half the time, my clip-ins don't even match up with the part. They're just there. Okay, it just. So as you can see, we are going for a side part, and I like my clip-ins to be pretty full, so I'm pretty much using all of the clip-ins for this style. So yeah, real cute. But we don't want it straight. So I'm gonna wand curl it because I want a fluffy look, like textured. So we're gonna do some curls. So you guys have seen me curl my hair a million times before. So we're gonna kind of speed through the process. And and this is what the finished wand curls look like. I'm just gonna brush them out because I want them to be like kind of clumped together. So yeah. And then of course we have to lay our edges down because it completes the look. Like, it definitely completes the look, makes it look a little more put together and cute, gives it a little character. So make sure you slick them edges down. So yeah, this is the first look, a cute little side part. Now we're moving along. So we're gonna do like, I want to say like half up, half down, but it's not. It's like a little up and the rest down. So I'm just sectioning off where I want the part to be, and then I'm gonna remove a clip so that I could put this in a ponytail comfortably. Okay, ponytail out the way. Now I'm just gonna slick the edges down on the opposite side that was like hiding under my side part, because we have to even it out. So that's all. That's it. So yeah, this is the look. Real cute, real playful. I used to wear my hair like this all the time. So next, we're gonna take this out. We're taking the clip-ins out in this first section, and we're gonna actually do a real half up, half down, but not half up, half down all the way to the top, but like center to the middle. And yeah, I'm scratching because it feels so good when you take your clip-ins out. But anyways, so I'm gonna do a lower half up, half down. I normally hike my ponytail up all the way on the top of my head, but a cute little middle of the head ponytail and then down in the back is real cute. So that's what we're doing. So yeah, and that completes this one. Really cute. I really actually like the ponytail centered in the middle of the head instead of like way at the top. I just feel like it looks good. But yeah, So we're taking that down. We're taking all the clip-ins out because our next style, we're going full ponytail. So we have to take all the clip-ins out so we can put them back in. Then a lot of the times I'm clipping these clips in, I am like so out of frame, but I didn't use many. I feel like I don't even know how many I used. I used one, two, you'll see, but I didn't use that many because I don't want my ponytail to be lumpy. I want it to, look as natural as possible. So honestly, I've done this high ponytail so many times, and again, I never put my clip-ins in the same spot. So you can use how I place them for reference, but I promise you, you're not going to put them in the same every time. But yeah, I just kind of feel where I feel like I should put one, and then I just put one there, making sure I don't overlap it, making sure that I could still put the ponytail in, like put my all my hair up and none of the clips show, and make sure that it's comfortable as well. Because if your clip-ins are comfortable when you're like putting them in, reposition them, or else you'll have a headache and they'll hurt, and you don't want it to feel like anything. So yeah. And yeah, this is our last look. I'm just gonna like refine it a little bit, take some hair out, re-slick my edges down. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be sure to link Curlsqueen in the description box for you guys. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.